Hello, my name is Dr. Bryan and I'm here to give you some healthy hints for harmony. This episode will be covering chronic inflammation. So the question is, what is inflammation? Typical acute inflammation is the type of redness or the swelling or some of the tenderness that you get, maybe with a cut and when things are trying to heal from there. The inflammation in and of itself helps the body to heal. It helps you to repair the body. And it's basically one of our first defenses that we have against infection or other types of injuries and such. Inflammation needs to be appropriate to the situation though, and the problem is that most people have too much of a response to little injuries. So they get too much scar tissue that builds up or too many issues that go with that. And one of the things that is actually influencing your inflammation levels more than anything else is actually your diet. The standard American diet is something that is pro-inflammatory. We have high levels of processed foods, and those levels of processed foods lead to too much inflammation. And those can lead to aches, pains, disability. You can end up having chronic diseases that are directly associated with the chronic levels of inflammation, such as diabetes, heart disease, cancer, osteoarthritis, and certain neurological diseases like Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson's, as well as multiple sclerosis, are all linked to these chronic levels of inflammation. Basically, you need to ask yourself these questions. Do you feel tired all the time? Are you overweight? Do you have aches and pains? Does exercise seem too stressful for you? Do you easily get cold and flu symptoms? Do you look older than you are? Do you eat inflammatory foods? If you answer yes to any of those questions, then the likelihood is that you do have a higher level of chronic inflammation than you should have. If you want a list of those inflammatory foods, you can go to my blog and take a look, and you can see some of them on there. The idea is that the treatment for most of these chronic diseases that we get ends up being chronic treatment. Do you ever hear of anybody going off of their treatment for high blood pressure or high cholesterol because of the treatment that they're actually on? You don't take medication and then eventually get off of those things. Usually it's something that people are on blood pressure medication for the rest of their life, or they're on high cholesterol medication for the rest of their life. And the idea is that by changing your diet, as well as obviously modifying your activity levels, you can end up changing the inflammation that you have in your body. Deflaming your body in general can help you to improve your health and to help you to prevent and or treat chronic problems. And the idea is that it's all about your diet. Thank you for listening to my Healthy Hints for Harmony. For more information on how to start deflaming your body, you can check out my blog and my website at www.harmonychiro.com. You can also find a list of inflammatory foods and anti-inflammatory foods on the blog as well. You can also go to www.deflame.com in order to get some more detailed information on deflaming and the deflaming guidelines as well. And you can also like us on Facebook if you'd like at